Do you want to have more control over the comments in your Instagram feed? Well, guess what? Now you do.
Have you hit a wall when it comes to growing your interior design business? Then welcome to Wingnut Social, the podcast specifically designed to accelerate your business through increased social media presence, impactful online content, and translating industry experience into physical success. This is your design business tightly fastened. Now welcome the hosts of Wingnut Social, Darla Powell and Natalie Graff.
Good morning and welcome to the Wingnut Social podcast. Today is the Monday Marketing Mini Poddy.
Darla, not everybody is listening to this in the morning.
I haven't introduced you yet. Well, it's 5:30 in the morning. Anyway, I am your host, Darla Powell, the grand high poobah of all things Wingnut. And every Monday we do a short episode with some marketing tips for your social media, for your interior design business. And I am joined by Natalie Bean Juice Graff. Good morning, Natalie.
Oh, good morning, Darla. Darla, why are we doing a podcast before I actually go to the fire station this morning?
Because you were at the dentist for 10 hours yesterday.
Oops, I was.
That sounds like an exaggeration.
It's not.
But it's a true story.
You know what? I got a little break in between there to do some shopping, and I had a friend that stayed with me for moral support, and we left the dentist, 7:45, and she looks at the clock and she goes, "No wonder they don't believe you've been at the dentist for so long. If I hadn't have been with you, I wouldn't have believed it either."
Natalie and Giraffe, today we're talking about Instagram again. No more TikTok. Although at the time of this recording, they haven't banned it yet. So that's a bonus. TikTok, that is. So Instagram has done something super, super cool, which is going to be very helpful in your marketing on Instagram. And they are now allowing you to pin comments, top comments in your feed for your posts.
Okay. Pin top comments. So explain that a little bit in Amish detail for me.
So if you have a post on Instagram and you have some super fans that comment, say, "Yeah, I can't wait," or "This is stunning. This is gorgeous," you can actually swipe left on that comment and click the little pin icon in there, and it'll just pin that to the top. So that'll be some of the first comments that your viewers see in there. They're like,
so you can play with the order, like on my Doma and spaces, and you want to change the spaces around. There's a little loop and it says rearrange spaces. You don't even know because you don't do the program right, but you just bring it to the top so you can constantly bring that comment that was like a kick-ass comment to the top of your thing every time. That's cheating.
No, it's not. It just helps create excitement and a buzz for that comment because people will see that super excited, interested, engaged comment. And they'll be like, "Ooh, what's going on over here? Let me check out Darla Powell Interiors on the Instagrams."
That's actually pretty interesting.
It's
pretty slick.
Well, it's about time. What is it, 2020? And YouTube's had the pinned comments feature since 2016. You can choose up to 3 comments to pin up to the top. So not only can you
got to get enough comments, Darla.
I do. Thank you. So not only do you have that exciting, engaged comment by Susan McNuggets, you can have her 2 cousins right underneath. Natalie and Giraffe.
Yes, Jethro.
You know, a lot of Wingnuts have been coming to me asking us about the SEO audit for their website. And, now with everything being kind of slow, it's a great time to dive in and check out and see if your website's healthy. But you are the go-to for that.
I am.
Tell me all about it.
All about it. Well, we're going to dive into your website and take a good look at your site performance. We're going to check about the crawlability. Are there any broken links? The site structure, non-crawlability content, your sitemap. We're going to look at metadata, the navigation structure, description, title, media.
Wait.
Are you overwhelmed?
I'm overwhelmed. This is all way over my head.
That's why we do it for you.
Oh, so you guys are going to take that all off my plate.
Absolutely. We're going to do on-page SEO for length, keywords. Make sure that you have your headers. Make sure that the mobile audit, that's so important. I know that when people are looking someone up, everybody's on their phone looking things up.
Yeah.
And if your site does not load within 2 seconds, you lose them.
Oh, wow. It
has
true.
to load within 2 seconds.
Mobile's so important.
It is. So, backlink audit, brand mentions, and a detailed list of the recommendations of what we think you guys need to do to fix your website.
Yeah, so it's a complete audit, really, with just a breakdown of everything that you need to improve with your website. Here's how to go about improving it. And if you guys decide you want to have us implement that, we can also hook you up with that situation right there, Natalie. So tell them where to go to find out more.
Go to wingnutsocial.com/services.
Or
give us a call at 1-877-WINGNUT.
Sounds like a plan, Stan.
I like it. So all this good stuff was started in April, and then in May, they officially decided, okay, we're going to test it. People, here you go. And so that's why you can do it now, because Facebook and Instagram took 1.5 million pieces of Instagram content in both fourth quarter of 2019 and the first quarter of 2020 because of bullying and harassment violations. They took them off.
Oh, so you can leave all the positivity.
You can leave all the positive, but you
at the
can
top.
right, and you can move that negative down to the bottom. So most of the content was actually reported by the users if there was a bully.
So that's leaving any negative. If you want to even keep the comment, you can
Right,
push that.
you can
sometimes
actually
you don't-
remove it.
Yeah, because, we do advise not to delete all your negative comments. People do want to see how you engage with people who have less than 100% sunshine and rainbow and unicorn farts.
And Instagram promised to implement more anti-bullying measures to reduce the impact of trolls and abusive actions within the app. Not only can we, hey, look at me, look at all these people that think that my work is great. Instagram
that
is
sounds a
always,
little-
they're always looking for a way to, encourage a positive environment on Instagram, and it's especially, right now, it's really important, the civil unrest, the political unrest, everything that's going on, at least you can have the power to navigate and to narrate what's going on within your account.
And don't forget the murder hornets. And Natalie, here's something too. Did you know that when you do pin your comment, the person who wrote the comment is going to be notified that you especially like their comment so much you made them the superstar of that thread?
Oh, that's like a thank you.
It is a thank you, right?
Yeah,
it is a
that's
thank you.
pretty
So
good.
here you go, Susan McNuggets. Thank you so much for being a super fan right to the top of the class.
So how do you actually do it? I know Darla said, just swipe to the left, voila, it's done. But,
That is it.
Well, it is, but you'll see 4 possibility options, including the delete button. You choose the option and you push the little pen to pen the comment. And when you move the comment, that is when your fan is notified.
Okay, so in a nutshell, what does this mean for designers? Well, you can use this as a marketing tool. If you have a product or service and someone says how much they love it, guess what? Move that pin to the top again to create that excitement and buzz to get people to go to your post.
Right. And is there any way you could reply and possibly tag the vendor of the item that you might have used? And you can say, hey, wait, not only do I like this, but my super fans like this too.
Ooh, article. We're talking to you.
I'm just saying. Just saying. That would be a great way to use for marketing. What else does it mean for designers? If you post something and someone trolls you and is negative and you really kind of want to delete it, by taking a comment that someone, sang your praises, just bump that to top and it takes the haters and puts them towards the bottom.
Yeah, so instead of just deleting negative comments, which we don't recommend all the time unless it's something very hateful or racist or something like that, people do want to see, again, how you engage with problem people. They want to see your level of customer service. You can just kind of bump them down to the bottom of the class. All right, so that's it for today's mini potty. That's Poddy, by the way.
And that's sewed, Darla. We have a mini sewed, not a potty.
Whatevs. If you guys like what you hear, please leave us a review on iTunes or Apple Podcasts or whatever the hell you're listening to this podcast on. If you need some help with your social media marketing for your interior design firm, give us a call at 1-877-WINGNUT or shoot us an email to info@wingnutsocial.com. And I think that's it for today, Nat. You got anything else?
Nope, so long.
See ya.
Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to tune in next week for more business and marketing info and insightful interviews with industry experts and design superstars. Can't wait? Then head on over to wingnutsocial.com for more great content to help you get your business to the next level.
Testing. It's too early for a podcast. Carrie, I want you to know that it's 5:58 in the morning. We're recording this because we were late.
Someone had to take a nap.
No.
2 days.
Because someone had to be at the dentist for 10 hours.
And
she was at the
someone
dentist.
had to take a nap Tuesday.
All right. You were okay. More coffee. Wait. Can you start that sentence over again? Because you had some noise, but then you tripped up a little bit. And talk into your mic. It's off. Okay,
Well,
great.
It's off.
Mhm. Well, you're off.
I know, you can turn me up a little.
No, you're good. Okay, maybe a smidge. Boop. Okay. Oh, there goes the nose jug band.
I can't hear that.
I know you
All
can't.
right. So As Darla's-
5:30 in the
Yeah.
morning.
It's almost 6. I'm already showered, ready for work.
Good boy, Mango.